Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we are looking at how to calculate the pump power calculation for centrifugal pumps. We will discuss the above topics in the upcoming slides. Next, we learn the formula for the pump power calculation for the centrifugal pump. Next, the pump power calculation formula is BKW is equals to Q into H into specific gravity, and the obtained value is divided by 367 into eta. Where next, Q is the discharge flow rate in meter cubes per hour. Next, H is the head in meter. Next, SP is the specific gravity. For water, specific gravity is 1. Next, eta is the efficiency of the pump in percentage. Next, BKW is the brake kilowatt in kilowatts. Next, how to calculate the pump motor power in kilowatts. Next, the pump motor power is equals to BKW multiplied by the factor of safety. Next, the pump factor of safety varies from 1.4 to 2.25. Next, we will learn and calculate the pump power calculation for the centrifugal pump. Next, we will learn sample examples to calculate the centrifugal pump power. To calculate the power requirement of a centrifugal pump with a discharge flow rate of 80 cubic meters per hour, a head of 50 meters, and an efficiency of the pump of 80%. Next, the pump power calculation formula is BKW is equals to Q into H into specific gravity, and the obtained value is divided by 367 into eta. Next, the given data. Next, Q is the discharge flow rate, 80 meter cubes per hour. Next, H is the head, 50 meters. Next, eta is the efficiency of the pump, 80%. Apply the given data to get brake kilowatts. Next, BKW is equals to 80 into 50 into 1. The obtained value is divided by 367 into 0.8. Next, BKW is equals to 4000 divided by 293.6. Therefore, obtained bar K kilowatt is equals to 13.62 kilowatt. Next, we will calculate the pump motor power for the centrifugal pump. So, the pump motor power calculation formula is brake kilowatt into factor of safety. Next, the pump factor of safety varies from 1.4 to 2.25. Assume the factor of safety is 1.5. Next, 13.62 into 1.5. Therefore, the obtained pump motor power is 20.43 kilowatts. I hope everyone understands how to calculate the power of the pump motor for a centrifugal pump. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more informational videos. Like and leave a comments.